Area of a sector.
Hello students, let's move to our next topic, that is area of a sector. Right, for knowing the area of a sector, we need to first know what is area of a circle. So what is the area of a circle? That is pi r square. Can you tell me in this where the area is? Yes, this brown part is said to be an area. And what do we say this part? This boundary part is said to be an circumference, right dear? So for the area of a sector, we need to have the knowledge of area of a circle. Yes, with this we will start with our this. What do we say this part here dear? This ROT is said to be an length of an arc here, right? And here whenever we want to name a sector, see this is a PROT. How we name this? This is a minor sector, स्मॉल सेक्टर वी कैन रिमेंबर द पिज़्ज़ा पार्ट. जब एक पिज़्ज़ा पार्ट को हम निकालेंगे तो एक सेक्टर जैसे बनती है, तो वैसे ही ये पिज़्ज़ा का छोटा पार्ट है, ये पिज़्ज़ा का बाकी पार्ट है. तो ये जो पार्ट है इसको बोलते हैं हम माइनर सेक्टर. And this part, remaining part is said to be a major sector, right? So how we will name the sector here? We always start with the center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? Can you all see? That is P. PROT. See, how should we name it? PROT. With the center of the circle and the length of the arc. Okay, now let's come for the next major sector. This is said to be a major sector again with the center of the circle. PRQT. See, PRQT. Okay, so by looking at, I said this is a minor sector. By looking at what all is required for forming a sector here. Can you see? See what all we can see? We can see one radius, that is PR, and the other radius, that is PT. That means we want a 2 radii. That's enough? No. If we have only 2 radii, we will have an angle only. We want a sector. Sector means this whole part. So what all we want? PR radii and the PT radii, PR radius, PT radius and the length of the arc ROT. तो हमेशा सेक्टर कैसे बनती है? 2 रेडियाई और एक लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क ROT से बनती है. आर यू ऑल क्लियर? सो वी विल से इफ इट इज आस्क्ड व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर of a sector. So what are the perimeter of the sector? That is what? PT plus PR plus the length of the arc ROT. So always remember the sector is made of 2 radii and 1 length of the arc here. Right. What do we say this figure is? This is a, yes, this is a sector. Why we say this is a sector? Because we have 2 radii and a length of arc. So it forms a sector. It's like a pizza slice here. Yes. So now we will derive a area of a sector formula with some small activity here. Right. Fine. Now you can see what is this? This is a whole circle. The full circle is there. Complete circle. Yes. So what could be the angle for? What would be the area for this circle? What would be the area? You know, you have learned now what is the area of a circle? That is pi r square. Here, as it is a full circle, right? Complete. So we say the formula is what? Pi r square. Is it or not? Yes. Yes. Now we have seen the area of a circle where I asked for the whole. That means what is the angle for this one? The whole area of a circle, we have a 360 degree, right? Yes. So now let's go for the 3/4. Okay, 3/4 means what? 1, 2, 3. These 3 only should be there. One should not be, one part should not be not there. So how can I say this is a 3/4? Yes, this part. Okay, 3/4. What would be the angle for this one, dear? Okay, before that, how we will write this 3/4? We usually write it how? 3/4, right? Into, what is this? This is the area of a circle में 3/4 part है. So what is the area of a circle? That is pi r square. So how we have written 3/4 pi r square, right? Now if it is, you imagine, now it is what? What do we say? This is half. So where I should write half? This is half pi r square, because half of the area of a circle. Yes. Now if I say this part, what do we say? This is said to be a what? 1/4. That is 1/4 pi r square. तो ये हमारा क्लियर हो चुका है. ये सब जो भी मैंने पार्ट लिया है, दिस इज ऑल आर एरिया ऑफ अ सेक्टर. इज इट और नॉट? दैट द हाफ इज ऑल्सो ए एरिया ऑफ अ सेक्टर एंड अ क्वार्टर इज ऑल्सो एरिया ऑफ अ सेक्टर. व्हाट डज आवर एरिया ऑफ अ सेक्टर सेज? See, if I say, is it area of a sector? Yes, because what the rule says, 2 radii should be there, 1 and 2 radii, and the length of the arc, it is there. So this is all are the area of a sector. But if it is asked, always the question is asked for exactly what is a half figure or the 3/4 figure, we could have done easily. If they ask for such figure, see, in this angle, this type of angle if we have, here can we say how much part it is there? Not at all. So let's see how it is derived. See how it is. See what is the angle? Half means how much? If we have taken a half means how much degree this is. See, I repeat again. When we have a full, we said it's a 360 degree. Yes. Right? Whole 360. If I remove it, what is this? This part is 90, 90, 90. 93 is at 270. So 3/4 में कैसे था? 270 degree upon what is the whole part? 360 degree. Right? Now I am writing it. I'll show you the next working later. And now what is this curve? For half part. We'll come for the half part. Here if I say half part, how much degree we have? कितना angle का degree है? ये 90 degree और ये 90 degree. 90 90 180 upon whole नीचे लिखना है 360 degree into pi r square. हो गया? अभी now we'll come for the this part, that is a quarter part. Quarter means how much degree? This is a 90 degree. So 90 degree upon 360 degree into pi r square. Let's check it whether it is right or wrong. See, I cut it here 0 0. 18 2s are 36. See, 1 upon 2 pi r square. Yes. Here 0 0 cut. 9 4s are 36. That is 1 upon 4 pi r square. Here 0 0 cut. Here how many times I can take it as a 9 table? 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. Here also if we say full circle मतलब कितना आएगा? 360 है ना? 4 circle का जो है 90, 90 4s are 360. तो 360 upon 360 into pi r square. तो 1 आया, 1 pi r square. तो फॉर्मूला कैसे बन रहा है? कितना डिग्री है? इसके यहाँ कितना डिग्री है? ये यहाँ पे तो हम डिग्री के लिए हम यहाँ लिखेंगे थीटा. Theta stands for the and always the circle measures, the whole circle measures always 360 degree. You can see everywhere. Yes, this is 360 degree, and always the area of a circle formula is pi r square. So what is our area of a sector? See, we have easily derived here. Area of a sector is nothing but the theta upon 360 into pi r. What does theta stands for? Theta is nothing but the angle. How much is the angle? If for example, if this is a, see here, this is one sector, we say yes, because we have a one radius and here another radius and the length of, so it forms the area of a sector. If they ask what is the area of this sector, we will first find out how much is the angle here. We have to say how much is the angle here. If this angle is 10 degree. Okay, accordingly then in the place of theta, what you will write? Theta is 10 upon 360 and the radius might be given 7 something. So we will substitute it. So what does this theta stands for? The theta is nothing but where actually this angle. This theta is nothing but this angle. If they give 360, we will write 360. Sorry, if we give 30 degree, we will write 30. Not this 360 is fixed everywhere and this pi r square is also fixed. Why we say here pi r square? Because this is a part of the circle ना, ये part of the area of a circle. हर जगह पर जो भी हम piece ले रहे हैं वो area of a circle का ही एक हिस्सा है. तो ये हिस्सा को हमने कैसे divide किया? थीटा अपॉन 360. थीटा कैसे होता है? थीटा एक जो पार्ट ऐसे सेक्टर कितना डिग्री का है उससे होता है. सो आर यू ऑल वेरी क्लियर हाउ द एरिया ऑफ अ सेक्टर इज डिराइव्ड? I will teach you how to solve the sum of an area of a sector, right here? Yes. If the question is given that, for example, radius of a circle is 21 centimeter and measure of a central angle is 140 degree, find the area of a sector. So let's pick up and write it. Radius of a circle is how much given? Yes, in bracket we will write r. That is how much given here? 21 centimeter. Okay, and measure of a central angle. So measure of central angle, that is, what is the symbol we use? Can you recollect? You can have the formula also here. That is theta. Okay, is how much degree? 140 degree. And area of a sector. Now see, if you want to draw the figure to understand well, you can use a pencil and draw it. See, if this is the ring, see, if this is 140 degree, this is okay theta, and the radius is given as a 21 centimeter. Then what we are finding? We are finding the area of a sector, this part. So area of a sector formula is what, my dear? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. See this theta, this part, how much? So how much is given? 140 upon 360 into pi is 22 upon 7 and r is how much given? 21 into 21. R radius 21. So now I can cut it. 7 3s are 21 and 0 0 and 4. Now how many times? 2 7s are 14. 2 9s are 2 7s are 14 and 2 18s are 36 and here again 2 11s are 22 and 2 11s are 2 9s are 3 3s are 9. Again 3 7s are 21. So we have to multiply 7 into 11 into 7. Okay, 7 7s are 49 and 49 into 11. So 11 9s are 99, 9, 11 1s, 11 4s are 44. 44 plus 9 is 53. So 539 and what we have to write the unit here, as it is a area, it always comes as square centimeter or a meter upon the units given here. Are you able to understand, my dear? This is very easy to solve the sum. Okay.